Now let's study about the next part of skeletal system, that is rib cage. So we are learning from skull, vertebral column, and next is the third part of skeleton, that is the rib cage. Children, you know what are ribs? Ribs are flat and thin bones that made back from our backbone and connect to the chest bone. There are ring-like bones. These ring-like bones are called ribs, and several pairs of ribs are present in the body, which constitute a cage-like structure and which protects the internal organs such as lungs and heart completely, and stomach and liver partially. And you know, children, this is the picture of a rib cage. You will be able to see the bones, ring-like bones, you know. The origin of these bones from the backbone, and it just comes to the front. There is a long bone in the chest. This bone is known as sternum. Sternum. S-T-E-R-N-U-M. Sternum. Sternum is in the front. Back is the backbone. Okay. So you will be able to see this is the backbone and this is the sternum. So each pair of rib begins from the backbone and it comes to the front and connect to the sternum. There are 12 pairs of ribs are present in our body. There are 12 pairs of ribs are present in our body, and you will be able to see the last 2 pairs of ribs are not connected to the sternum, and these last 2 pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. Okay, my dear children. So the rib cage is made out of 12 pairs of ribs, and among these 12 pairs of ribs, the last 2 pairs of ribs are not connected to the sternum and they are called floating ribs. Okay, my dears, did you get an idea about rib cage? So what is the function of rib cage? The rib cage protects the internal organs such as heart and lungs. Okay, and also heart and lungs are completely enclosed, and stomach and liver are partially enclosed.